Skoda launches the Kushaq in India at Rs 10.49 lakh ex-showroom. The name Kushaq is derived from the Sanskrit word meaning king or emperor. The SUV is available in 3 variants and 2 engine options. Following are the variants and pricing. Bookings for the Kushaq are open and can be made online or at dealerships across India. Deliveries of the 1.0-litre TSI variants will begin early next month, while deliveries of the 1.5-litre TSI variants will begin only by August. The Kushaq is the first model launching under the brand's India 2.0 program. The upcoming SUV will use a tweaked version of the brand's global MQB platform called the MQB AOIN. Features a longer wheelbase to suit the Indian market. Color options available are candy white, brilliant silver, honey orange, carbon steel and tornado red. The Kushaq features a bold stance with abundant use of chrome to give the SUV a premium look and feel from the outside. The all-around body cladding enhances the SUV looks of the Kushaq. The features include Skoda's butterfly grille, LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, roof rails, Fox skid plates, integrated roof spoiler. The cabin of the Kushaq is well laid out with a host of features. The dashboard features a multi-layered design with piano black inserts. The Kushaq borrows the same 2-spoke steering design as seen on the Octavia. The other interior features include 10.1-inch infotainment system, semi-digital instrument cluster with MID, steering mounted controls, ventilated seats, climate control, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless charger, rear AC vents, electric sunroof, 6-speaker Skoda audio system, manually adjustable driver seat, My Skoda Connect mobile application. The SUV is offered with 2 turbo-petrol engine options. The 1.0-litre TSI engine is paired to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic, while the 1.5-litre TSI engine features either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DSG automatic. The 1.0-litre 3-cylinder TSI turbo-petrol maximum power is 108 bhp at 5500 rpm and a peak torque of 175 Nm at 1750 rpm. And for 1.5-litre 4-cylinder TSI turbo-petrol maximum power 148 bhp at 6000 rpm and a peak torque of 250 at 3500 rpm. Skoda has not compromised on the safety features of the Kushaq as all variants receive dual airbags, ABS and electronic stability control as standard. Other features include 6 airbags, electronic brake force distribution, tire pressure monitoring system, multi-collision braking, electronic differential lock, traction control, rear parking camera. When it comes to the warranty, the Kushaq is offered the same 4-year service care that is offered on Skoda models. This includes 4-year or 1 lakh kilometers warranty, 4-year maintenance package, 4-year roadside safety assistance. Skoda finally enters the mid-size SUV segment in India by launching the Kushaq. The SUV features an appealing exterior design with pleasant interiors and uncompromised safety. The Kushaq rivals the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Jeep Compass, Nissan Kicks, Renault Duster in the Indian market. Do let us know what do you feel about this newly launched Skoda Kushaq in the comment section. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. BMW launches the 2021 5 Series in India at Rs 62.90 lakh ex-showroom. The new 5 Series will be available in 3 variants and engine options. Bookings for the 5 Series is open across India. Variants and pricing. 530i MSport is for Rs 62.90 lakh. 520d is for Rs 63.90 lakh. And 530d MSport is for Rs 71.90 lakh ex-showroom. Customers who have booked the MSport variants on or before 24 July 2021 will be offered with 50% discount on the selected range on exclusive M Performance accessories. The 2021 5 Series has undergone changes in the front and rear. At the front is a larger BMW's kidney grille along with new sleeking-looking headlamps. The bumper has also been redesigned, adding to the overall sporty appeal of the sedan. The rear features a new tail lamp design, a trapezoidal exhaust and a new bumper along with a new alloy wheel design. Other features include BMW laser light, LED headlamps, L-shaped LED DRLs and tail lamps, 18-inch alloy wheels and active aero vents. The biggest change is the new 7th generation BMW iDrive system featuring a host of new applications, connectivity options and personalization as well. Another display is placed at the center of the dashboard for climate control options. The sedan also features dual-tone upholstery with a new seat design. There is an abundant use of leather and Alcantara to give the cabin a premium feel. Other features include 10.25-inch infotainment display, 10.25-inch instrument cluster, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, sport steering wheel with mounted controls, dual zone climate control, panoramic sunroof, paddle shifters, ventilated and power operated seats, rear AC vents, ambient lighting, Harman Kardon surround sound system, BMW gesture control, BMW virtual assistant. The new 5 Series will be offered with 3 engine options, limited by variants. All engines will come paired to the same 8-speed automatic gearbox with power sent to the rear wheels as standard. For the BMW 530i MSport, it comes with 2.0-litre inline 4-cylinder petrol engine, maximum power 248 bhp at 5200 rpm, peak torque 350 Nm at 4800 rpm, 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.1 seconds, and the top speed is 250 km per hour. For the BMW 520d luxury line, 2.0-litre inline 4-cylinder diesel engine, maximum power 187.7 bhp at 4000 rpm, peak torque 400 Nm at 2500 rpm, 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.3 seconds, and top speed of 250 km per hour. For BMW 530d MSport, 3.0-litre inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, maximum power 261.4 bhp at 4000 rpm, peak torque 620 Nm at 2500 rpm, 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds, top speed 250 km per hour. All variants of the 5 Series features 4 drive modes: Comfort, Sport, Eco, Pro and Adaptive. MSport variants offer an extra Sport Plus mode for sportier driving experience. The 5 Series comes with a plethora of active and passive safety features. The company is also offering customers an optional advanced driver assistance system as well. Active safety includes adaptive cruise control, front collision warning, emergency brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system. Optional active safety: lane departure warning, blind spot detection, rear collision warning, steering and lane control assistant, automatic speed limit assist, parking assistant with 360-degree camera. Passive safety: 8 airbags, ABS with EBD, cornering brake control, dynamic stability control, dynamic traction control, electric parking brake with auto hold function, and ISOFIX child seat mounting. So guys, do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this newly launched BMW, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. Audi opens booking for the e-Tron SUV and Sportback models in India. The booking amount is set at ₹5 lakh and can be made at the brand's website or dealerships across India. The e-Tron is launching in India on July 22nd. The company will launch the electric SUV this month, while the Sportback model will arrive at later date. Both models feature the same underpinnings, albeit with a different design. Audi is expected to price the e-Tron at around ₹1 crore ex-showroom. The e-Tron is powered by 2 electric motors with a 125 kW unit placed on the front axle and a 140 kW motor placed on the rear axle. They produce a combined power output of 408 bhp of power and 664 Nm of torque. The power is sent to all 4 wheels using the brand's Quattro system. Electric motors are paired to a 95 kW lithium-ion battery, which offers a range of 448 km on a single charge. Charge times for the battery pack is rated at 30 minutes from 0 to 80% using a DC fast charger. Audi will also be offering the e-Tron with an onboard 11 kW AC charger, which can charge the battery pack from 0 to 80% in 8.5 hours. The electric SUV can accelerate from standstill to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds in sports mode and continue to reach a top speed of 200 km per hour. It also features different power modes and regenerative braking to enhance the driving range. Exterior design, interior design and features. Despite the SUV stance, the exterior design of the e-Tron features a sleeper design to reduce drag. The flaps open only to provide cooling, which otherwise remains closed. Other exterior features include matrix LED headlamps, LED DRLs, LED bar on boot lid, LED tail lamps, 20-inch alloy wheels. The interiors of the Audi e-Tron feature 3 screens for the instrument cluster, infotainment and operation of seat function and climate control. For an enhanced in-car entertainment experience, the SUV is offered with a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system. Other interior features include 4-zone climate control, voice assistant, connected technology, panoramic sunroof, wireless smartphone charging, steering wheel with mounted controls, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Audi has equipped the e-Tron with a ton of safety equipment including lane departure warning and a park assist function. Other features include multiple airbags, brake assist, ABS, electronic stability control, traction control, blind spot monitor. The e-Tron is the most anticipated electric vehicle launches in India. The company has begun accepting bookings ahead of its launch. The e-Tron will rival the like of the Mercedes-Benz EQC, Jaguar I-Pace and the upcoming Volvo XC40 Recharge and the Tesla Model 3. Tata Motors launches the Tiago XTO variant in India at Rs 5.48 lakh ex-showroom. The new variant is based on the mid-XT trim of the hatchback. However, the XTO is placed below the XT variant and is Rs 15,000 cheaper. XT versus XTO exterior features. There are no exterior differences between both variants, including the body-colored roof, ORVMs and door handles. Other exterior features: 14-inch steel wheels, LED turn indicators on ORVMs, chrome strip on the grille, integrated roof spoiler. XT versus XTO interior features and technology. The interiors of both variants feature a host of differences, with the XTO missing out on several features. This includes a 2-DIN audio head unit, which is no longer offered on the new variant. Other missing features are rear view monitor, Harman audio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity. However, the company will fit the XTO variant with 4-speaker and steering-mounted audio controls as standard. This means the audio head unit could be offered as an accessory from the dealer. XT versus XTO engine and transmission. The major difference between the two variants is that the XTO is offered with a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard. However, the XT trim comes with an optional 5-speed automatic transmission. The engine, however, remains the same. 1.2-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine with maximum power 85 bhp at 6000 rpm and a peak torque of 113 Nm at 3300 rpm. The variant terminology seems to be the opposite in the Tiago. Generally, the suffix O to a trim level means added equipment. However, in the hatchback, it is opposite, as the XTO misses out on several features over the XT trim. For Rs 15,000 less, the missing head unit results in a host of convenient features associated with the audio system. The Tiago rivals the Maruti Suzuki Celerio, Wagon R, Hyundai Santro and the Datsun Go.